Have you ever created a drop-down list in Excel and then realize you have to update it every time something new is added? In this video, I'll show you how to create a dynamic drop-down list that updates automatically. No formulas, no VBA, just pure Excel magic. Let's see how it's done.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
So here you can see that I have the product name, and next to it we have a small table in which we have the salesperson and the product sold. And from this product list I want to choose the product over here in this D column in front of the salesperson using the drop down list. So for this purpose, first I will convert these product names into a table format. I will select them. I'll press Ctrl T. I'll keep check my table has header and click OK. After this, I will give name to this table. So I will click here and delete this table 3 and write product list. After giving the name to this table, I will click anywhere in the sheet. Now after this, I'll go to this D2 cell and then I'll click on this data tab. I'll click data validation. And here in the data validation tab, I will select the list, and in the source I will type equal indirect open parentheses, and in the inverted commas I will provide the name of the table. I'll close the parentheses and click OK. Now you can see that we have the drop down button right next to this cell, so we can select the products from this list. So you can see that this list ends on webcam. So what if we want to add another product? We'll go to this cell under the webcam, and for example we write printer. Now you can see that our table update automatically, and again when we will click on this drop down button, we got this printer over here. This will help us to add more and more product to our product list, and every product will be updated automatically in this drop down list. And that's it. Your drop down list is now fully dynamic and update itself whenever you add new data. No manual work needed. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Know How for more quick Excel tips. See you in the next tutorial.